Hey, we're in Cleveland, Ohio, C-Town. We just made a special delivery to Matt Wilhelm. He's here from Ohio State Buckeyes, the Ohio State University National Championship, Super Bowl NFL player. He's here to see the pizza oven. We've delivered it to today.
I'm so excited, guys. I've been following HPC Fire Inspired for almost a year now. I connected with Sean. Sean allowed me the opportunity to have this amazing pizza oven custom delivered to my backyard with my new pool. So we are so excited to get cooking on this thing. He brought me a bottle of his small batch bourbon whiskey, and I'm gonna have two amazing tiki torches coming very soon, as well as a kick butt fire bowl off in the back of my pool. Guys, HPC Fire Inspired does it better than anybody in the industry. So please follow them on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, and hook up with my man Sean, because he will then, of course, hook you up like he did me.
Thanks, Matt.